This video was requested by Santiago Restrepo. Enjoy the video. Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finostenaire, and today I'm going to do a rant on Boris. Why? Because Boris is the worst Caillou character ever. Because Boris grounds his kids for no reason. Enjoy the video. Boris. What? More like Boris the grounding dad? Oh my gosh. Boris sucks. I'm going to explain why that I really hate Boris with the burning passion. Number 1. Boris is a brat. Number 2. Boris grounds his kids for no reason. Number 3. Boris is not good at all. Because Boris is not good at all because Boris grounds his kids for no reason. And do you know who likes Boris? But I don't know who likes Boris. But do you know who hates Boris? Me and Santiago Restrepo. Because he wants me to do a rant on Boris. So Boris sucks. And so does Barney and the Backyard Gang. Mustard pancakes is better than Boris. End of rant. If you have any request about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.